In this video, I will show you how to use a universal oil filter wrench to remove an oil filter. A universal oil filter wrench is a handy tool because it adjusts to different filter sizes, making it perfect if you don't have the exact size wrench for your vehicle. First, attach a ratchet or socket wrench to the tool. Then place the wrench over the oil filter. Most universal wrenches have adjustable jaws or a 3-jaw design that grips tighter as you turn. Make sure it's seated firmly around the filter. Turn it counterclockwise to loosen the oil filter. As you apply pressure, the jaws of the wrench will tighten their grip and dig into the metal, allowing you to break the filter loose. Avoid applying too much pressure. Excessive force can crush the filter, making it harder to remove. Apply steady, controlled pressure until the filter begins to loosen. Then finish the job by hand. Once the filter is loose, remove the wrench and spin the filter off the rest of the way by hand. Be ready with a drain pan underneath, because some oil will spill out as the filter comes off. Remember, the universal oil filter wrench is for removal only. Never use it to install a new filter. New filters should always be tightened by hand. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to WheezGen for more DIY automotive guides. Thanks for watching.